In 2008, I was sitting in a hospital bed and I had just shattered my femur at the neck. And along with it, I had shattered my Olympic dream. How do I grow my Instagram following? And how do I drive traffic? And how do I get more click-throughs? And how do I get more engagement? And half the people don't even understand. They're not even sure what they mean by engagement. They're like, well, you know, like comments and shares and stuff like that. What they're really asking is, how do I use influencer marketing to achieve my goal? Influencer marketing, as it's perceived, and where the world is right now, has influenced us to think that Tom Brady is more influential. However, it really depends on context, right? And I think innately, the way that we describe why Tom Brady is so influential is innately the problem. Because what we're describing is how much people know him, how many people talk about him, how he comes to mind, how he's more known, he's more front of mind. Being good looking is not the same as being influential. So hotter means influential, okay. Would you rather have 100 followers on, let's say, a blog, and all of them buy from you, if that is your goal, a sale, or the action of purchasing? Or would you rather have 1 million and maybe 3 buy? Social media, if there's nothing you get out of this, is not influencer marketing. Advertising is not influencer marketing. These are tactics. They're tools that in and of themselves, they're not strategy. We're measuring all the buzz, but we're not actually measuring impact. Well, I would probably rather be homeless than have to do that, go crawling back with my tail between my legs, which is empowering in itself, right? When you fail on that level, there's nowhere to go. Like, you can't really go much lower. And it empowered me. And these take time. Right now, we're looking at influencer marketing as a one-night stand. Influencer marketing done right is a marriage. It's a happy marriage. It's something that you work on. And you give, and a lot of times in the beginning, you're going to give a lot more. And those aren't going to be tangible. And that's where it's really hard for agencies and senior management and junior marketers to make this work, because they're not sure how to describe the intangibles that happen with a long-term relationship. It's how I went from a devastated athlete to having sold 2 companies by the age of 32 and a book series. And it's not because I'm gifted or I'm smarter than anybody else. It's because I was able to see a trend and what I now call the code. To the influencercode.com, there's a free ebook. I'm not selling you anything, I promise. There's nothing you can actually buy on this site, so you're safe. But if you go to influencercode.com, there's a free ebook on there with a blueprint on the next steps.